Well, guys, we have a Baltimore Oriole, and this must be the female because it has an orange head. First I thought it was a different species, but it's a beautiful bird and it has bright orange feathers, and she's taking a little bath. Okay, that looks like a catbird and a woodpecker, and I believe it's a hairy woodpecker, or it could be a yellow-bellied sapsucker. And we have the male oriole, Baltimore Oriole, and you can see he's got a black head, and his orange coloring is more profound than the female. So there's the male. And there's the catbird again. And I believe they sound like a cat. And there we have a robin redbreast, taking a bath. And you don't see these orioles too often, except in the park here where I ride my bike. So I thought I'd basically record them for everyone. And that again is the male. And there's the female. And he's keeping an eye on her. Okay, we're going to switch over. There goes a jogger. And another one. And after a rain the next day, it's a great time to find a lot of birds together. They're taking baths and drinking out of these puddles. So all you people who want to see a lot of birds, it's a great time after a rainstorm in the morning. And that's when this was. I don't know what that little guy was. Scaring my birds away. Hi. And look guys, we got some robins and a pair of mourning doves. So the robin's got his chest all ruffled up. He's taking a bath. And there's a pair of mourning doves. Beautiful birds. And that little guy is, I believe, a sparrow. It's not an English sparrow. So if you know what kind of sparrow that is, or what kind of bird, write it down in the comments. There he goes.